Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are well and hearty. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take English first paper class for the students of class 8 on the topic Cloze Test without cloze. Number 1, 2. I'm repeating, today our topic is Cloze Test without cloze, number 1 and 2. Students, this is our 13th lecture and 8th homework. I'm repeating, this is our 13th lecture and 8th homework. Students, please take your notebook and writing elements. We are going to discuss about without cloze 1, 2. So let's start. Students, I have given here 3 without cloze. And today I will do 1 and 2 and number 3 will be your homework. So now I'm starting with number 1. The question is, read the text below and fill in the gaps using suitable words to make it a meaningful text. So in our earlier class we have done cloze test with cloze. There you get some words to fill the gaps. But here no word is given for you. You have to read the passage or given one, and you have to understand the meaning of this passage, and you have to choose a suitable word for the gap. Television is the most widely used dash of recreation. Most widely used dash of recreation. So in first gap we can write source of. Television is the most widely used source of recreation. So in number A we can write source. S-O-U-R-C-E. Source. Source of recreation. All types of people irrespective dash age and gender like it. All types of people irrespective, and after that we find the gap. So in the gap we have to use our preposition, and it will be of, respective of, respective of. So in number B we have to write of, irrespective of, age and gender like it. It dash a wide range of recreational programs. It dash, students, we know after subject we have to use verb. So you have to understand the meaning of the sentence. It dash a wide range of recreational programs. So here we can write broadcast or telecast, but be careful as the subject is singular. We have to add s or es with the verb. So I am writing here broadcast. B-R-O-A-D-C-A-S-T. The word is broadcast, and as the subject is singular we have to add s. Broadcast. People dash of their personal taste choose these programs. People dash. And after gap we find to, preposition to. So we have to use appropriate preposition here. So if we write according to, then it is appropriate for meaning. We know according to, with according we use to. People according to. So in number D we have to write according. In number D we have to write according. People according to their personal taste choose these programs. In dash, television has the magical power to draw all types of people towards it. In dash. In fact. In the gap we have to write fact. F-A-C-T. In fact, television has the magical power to draw all types of people towards it. Now number B. Read the text below and fill in the gaps using suitable words to make it a meaningful text. Most of the farmers of our country are very poor. They do not know how to dash and write. This is very easy. We know after gap we find and write. So when it is about write, it comes read and write. So in number A we have to write read. They do not know how to read and write. They do not have dash of their own. As they are farmer, they do not have land of their own. So in number B we have to write land. Land of their own. They work as dash laborer to others' land. So look, laborer. Which type of laborer? Day laborer. They work as day laborer to others' land, as they don't have any land of their own. So in number C we have to write day. We have to write day. Day laborer to others' land. Though they dash herd, they do not lead a dash life. Though they dash hard. You know, hard is compared with work. Though they work hard. So in number D we have to write work. We have to write work. Though they work hard, they do not lead a dash life. We know it's negative, so here we have to use an adjective, and we can use happy. In number E we can write happy. Happy life. Though they work hard, they do not lead a happy life, or you can say decent life, respectful life. Any adjective you can use here. They are neglected in our society. So number 1 and 2 are done. Now students, come to number 3. This number 3 will be your homework. I'm repeating, this number 3 of cloze test without cloze will be your homework. Our homework number is 8, so don't forget to write the lecture number. Our lecture number is 13 and homework number is 8. Students, please do your homework and don't forget to submit your homework copies on every Saturday. Guardians or anyone else can come to school and can submit your homework copies. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.